Today I am going to show you two of the most beautiful waterfalls in Bangladesh. This is Sitakundo Botanical Eco Garden, a reserve forest area of the Forest Authority. Three of us come to see this waterfall. The beauty of the waterfall doubles during monsoon. There are two waterfalls here. One is called Shubtodhara and the other Sahasradhara. Rainy season means beauty, so we are come to see the waterfall. Being in the waterfall makes the mind feel better. If you liked the video, please comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.